Alright everybody, I just finished building another computer, and I've already posted some pics, and I'll try to include some of those pics in the comments, especially the cable management. But I just want to show the speed. I know some people are asking how much this kind of computer costs, and I want to show the speed and what you get out of it too. So we'll go ahead and shut it down. And there you go. It's already shut down, so that's pretty awesome. You can see the lights are off. And now we'll hit the power button. So it's on. And in my test, it's been taking anywhere from about 15 to 18 seconds to power up to get to the desktop by the time you press the start button. And you can see how quick that was. So then we'll go ahead and double click Chrome there. And there you go. You're on the internet in about 20 seconds, I guess. Somewhere in there. That's pretty nice. And this build's $700. This is just my base build. And it'll do everything you need it to do for regular office use. YouTube, Facebook, email. And it could even do some other things too beyond that. But if you get into gaming or AutoCAD, things like that, you'll need a video card, so the price goes up, and probably a little bit beefier processor. So we'll go ahead. You can stop watching now, but we'll go ahead and do a full restart so you see how long that takes to give you an idea of the speed. And I'll do a couple things after that too. So here it's restarting. So there you go. That's how long you'd have to wait, which isn't very long if you had to install a program that required a restart, or you're doing something on the computer that required a restart. So all your basic functions like right-click display settings, personalize, you can see how quick that opened up. We'll go into like PowerPoint here. It's just, everything's instant. Double-click Chrome. X out of there. Properties, right click, go to system, and there you go. There's some of the specs if you want to see them. So everything you do is going to be pretty much instant on a computer like this, and for $700 I think that's worth it. Have a good day.